Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to convert video to a GIF files that we generally found on social media like Facebook comments or anything that can image as a shape. So today I have one video here that is the main base to take you how to do this. First, you need one converter software that called ABAAKHPP converters, and you can search it in Google search and download it, install it in your PC. It's completely free. So now I'm gonna click to open it like that, and then we start to drag it and drop it just like this. After you have drop it to the converters, you need to select the file names and then click on the starting edit here and choose the clip that you really want to find the clips, or you will find the clip that you want to use inside the video, and you can drag it like this. Okay, and drag it like this and then play this. Okay, now I'm gonna do it again. Okay, and then here is the way that we're gonna cut that out. So this is the starting point, and now I'm gonna play it a bit. And I'm waiting to see the clip that you want to cut. Okay. And now I'm gonna use small offset to convert it. And we already choose the ending time is 7 seconds. With the starting point is here. Start time and ending time is about 1 second, and then click to convert like this. Now the conversion is completed, but you make sure that you choose the right way of the video. So select a general video and select the MP4 or MP3 or anything that you want to do. Now I'm gonna select the MP4 video format and then click convert. Okay, now the conversion is complete. Now select to the output folder here, and you will see the video frames or clip like this. But it's still now a videos, not a GIF yet. So to make it a GIF, you need to connect it to the internet, and then you're gonna search it for videos to GIF just like this. Select like that, and I recommend you to choose the top one of the list here because it has no watermarks. Okay, now after you choose that, you're gonna choose the directory files that we have already converted to the small part here, and then drag it to the desktop like this. Okay, and replace this because the old file and the new file is the same name. And now gonna choose the file here, so select and choose file, and then find the directories of your video. It 1 second here, so click on that, and the next click on upload here. So click on upload like this and waiting for a few seconds. It is depending on your internet speed. And after it has been already converted, you will see something that convert to GIF here. So click on that, and waiting, and scroll more down here, and then now we're gonna click to convert, or the file is already converted, and now you can see it is in a GIF here. So click on save like that, and you will see the GIF image is saving now. Okay, this is the way that you can convert it from the video to the GIF. So thank you for watching my video tutorials, and I'm gonna open it to preview for you. Okay, and now you can see this is a GIF image. It is a GIF tiles. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.